Plant care is self-care. Therapeutic benefits of gardening.
Gardening is more than just a hobby. Gardening can offer therapeutic benefits and is a great way to improve your mental health.
Gardening can improve mood, stress relief, and mental well-being. It can also provide physical exercise, fresh air, and social interaction.
Gardening can help reduce environmental pollution. By growing plants, gardeners are able to generate their own food and recycle materials that would otherwise be disposed of in landfills.
Gardening can help improve air quality by removing pollutants from the atmosphere.
How to get the most out of gardening for mental health.
There are many ways to enjoy gardening, from growing vegetables in a backyard garden to working in an ornamental garden. The important thing is to find something that is enjoyable and satisfying for you, and that will help you relax and distress.
Gardening can provide mental health benefits for people of all ages. Gardening can help improve moods and boost self-confidence.
Gardening can also provide a sense of accomplishment. For some, it can provide an outlet for creative expression. It can also be a great way to get fresh air and exercise, which can help to improve mental health.
Gardening can provide physical activity and healthy eating habits. Gardening can provide nutritional benefits, such as getting more vitamins and minerals into one's diet.
There are many studies that have shown that people who garden report feeling more relaxed and at peace than those who don't garden. These studies also found that gardening was associated with increased feelings of well-being and satisfaction.
It is a great way to spend time outside, get some exercise, and learn new skills. When gardening is enjoyable and satisfying for you, it becomes easier to stick with it.
Gardening can provide therapeutic benefits for people of all ages and backgrounds. Some people find that gardening calms their minds and make them more productive.
Tips for reducing stress in gardeners.
Gardening itself can become stressful or overwhelming if we allow it to. When you're feeling stressed, it's easy to start viewing your garden as a difficult task that you can't complete. If you start seeing your garden as a chore instead of a blessing, restock and keep these tips in mind.
Gardening can be a very tiring activity, and it's important to take regular breaks to relax and recharge your batteries.
Keep a positive attitude. Instead, focus on the positive aspects of gardening, the fragrant flowers or the happy birds you see flying around your yard.
Be patient with yourself. It may take some time before you see significant reduction in stress levels, but keep at it. The benefits of gardening, both physically and mentally, are worth the effort.
How to get the most out of gardening.
Find a garden that's right for you. There are lots of different types of gardens, from small container gardens to large backyard gardens. If you have limited space, consider using a smaller garden or growing plants in containers on your patio or balcony.
Get organized before you start planting. Before you start digging, make sure all of your supplies are at the ready: pots, soil, seeds, watering and garden tools. This will make the process go much faster and help you avoid any potential accidents.
Start small. If you're new to gardening, start with a smaller project, maybe a container garden or a small section of your backyard. As you get more comfortable, try larger projects.
Choose a garden that is comfortable for you to work in. If you have arthritis or other mobility issues, choose a garden that has low-growing plants that are easy to reach. If you have difficulty bending down, choose a garden with taller plants that require less bending.
Take care of your plants. Water them regularly and fertilize them when necessary. Fertilizing can help to promote strong growth and healthy plants.
Keep it weed-free. Gardeners who take care of their gardens often report increased satisfaction with their therapy sessions.
After you've finished planting, take a moment to enjoy the fruits of your labor, whether that means picking fresh vegetables or flowers for dinner, or just taking in the beauty of your garden altogether.
What kind of plants are best for you?
There is no one-size-fits-all answer to this question. What kind of plants are best for you depends on your individual needs and preferences.
Some people prefer plants that provide natural beauty and shade, while others may prefer plants that can help them to reduce stress or improve their mood.
Whatever your reasons for wanting plants in your life, it's important to find plants that are compatible with your lifestyle and environment. Here are some tips to help you choose the right plants for your home.
Start by assessing your climate and environment. If you live in a warm climate, consider adding tropical or subtropical plants to your garden. If you live in a cold climate, consider choosing temperate or hardy varieties of flowers.
Choose plants that have therapeutic properties for your specific needs. Some plants are great for providing natural shade, while others are perfect for adding beauty and color to your home.
Think about what you want to achieve with your plants. Do you want to reduce stress or improve mood? Are you looking for plants that will help to protect the environment or provide fresh produce?
For example, roses are often used to improve mood and stress levels, lavender is used to reduce anxiety and depression, and calendula is used to heal cuts and bruises.
Consider what kind of plant you would like to grow. Do you want a shrub, tree, or flower?
Finally, take into account your personal preferences and style. What is your favorite type of plant? Would you like a plant that is easy to care for or one that requires more attention?
Finding connection with your community.
Gardening can be a great way to connect with your community and create healthy ecosystems. By growing plants in your garden, you can help to reduce the amount of waste that is produced, help to improve air quality, and provide food for birds and other wildlife.
By growing your own garden, you can learn about the different types of plants and how they work together to create a healthy ecosystem.
Gardening can provide a sense of community for people of all ages and backgrounds. It helps to bridge the gap between individuals and foster a sense of well-being with and for our neighbors.
Conclusion.
If you're looking to add some freshness and color to your home, consider choosing a plant that's associated with happiness or relaxation, like geraniums or ivy. And if you're looking for a way to relax and distress after a long day, taking a walk in your garden is definitely the perfect way to do it.
Takeaway 1. Gardening can be a great way to improve your mental and physical health. Choose the right type of garden based on your needs and preferences.
Takeaway 2. Gardening is a great way to improve your mental health. It offers therapeutic benefits and can help you relax and escape from the stresses of daily life.
Takeaway 3. Gardening is a great way to improve your mental health. It offers therapeutic benefits and can help you relax and distress. Choose the right plants for you and enjoy the therapeutic benefits of gardening.
I hope you found this helpful. Thanks for watching.